Let's take a look at the progress for the day. Transaxle is all on, all cleaned, all new seals, rebuilt starter. This is coming along, the engine's coming along. Most everything's on there. What's left, next session is the mechanical fuel pump, both rebuilt carburetors, cross linkage, and there's a few grommets, rubber grommets that go there, and over there. So that's all together. Got the, if you can get the lighting, got the new, excuse me, rebuilt front transmission mounts or engine mounts. The entire, it might be a little hard to see, but the entire underbody now, hopefully the light will work out here, the entire underbody now has been coated with a por15. See if we can show this. All the suspension components have been coated with the por15, except for the wheel wells, because when it's when the car is sandblasted and painted, that'll get overspray on it and it'll get damaged. So that'll happen after, actually as a final thing that's done. But the underbody looks like that. Looks very nice, black, won't rust for longer than probably anyone that's watching this video will be alive, most likely. Next session, we've got to put the new fuel tank and sending unit and rubber connections, rear brake drums. We did por15 on those as well. We did por15 on the front brake drums just to dress them up a little bit. They didn't need it, but that's the front sway bar, por15. That bottom tunnel covers have been wire brushed and por15 on both sides, never to rust again. And then we'll talk about the exhaust, what we want to do. We can put that old exhaust on, but we might want to do some new exhaust. So that is the progress. A lot done. Day or two left. Working on the differential and the power glide transmission. I went ahead and completely cleaned all the 20, 30, 40 years of grime buildup on both things. It took about 2 or 3 hours. Painted this. We're going to put the seals. This one here is the shrink sleeve that will go right there on the shift cable for the power glide that goes into the power glide. That's a common point. This little one here goes right in there. It's the trickiest one to change. Got a new seal here, and then we also, or gasket, and then we put a new seal right there, and then we'll put it all together. Also, the governor gets that new O-ring, as well as that gasket in between the differential and the transmission. So right here you got this new O-ring that then slides into, it's like the shift rod or shift lever. We replaced the, vacuum modulator. This one has failed, so you can pull transmission fluid through that. In fact, it was dripping out of that right there. That means transmission fluid would get pulled into your engine when you drove, and you get a white smoke coming out. That's pretty common failure.